What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the all-wheel drive locking switch in this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just take a trim tool underneath here and just pop this up. Just like that. The back side right here, there's a little tab. Release the tab for the connector. Disconnect it. All right, to remove this all-wheel drive locker switch, just push on these tabs in the back and slide it through. All right, so on this panel, there is a slot that this groove needs to go in. Just line that up and lock it in place. Now we're gonna connect this locking switch, line it up, and line up the tabs, and lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.